My dear students of class 9, I am going to start chapter 13, surface areas and volume, exercise 13.6. Assume pi is equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. Question number 5. If cost of rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of a cylindrical vessel 10 meter deep, if the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find first inner curved surface area of the vessel, second radius of the base, third capacity of the vessel. For the solution of this question, we write first question given total cost of painting equals to rupees 2200 given in the question. Rate of cost of painting inner curved surface area, this is given rupees 20 per meter square here. So inner curved surface area equals to total cost by rate of painting. This equals to 2200 divided by 20 meter square. It is given meter square, so we write here meter square. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 1 are 2. 2 110 are 220. This equals to 110 meter square. This is inner curved surface area. This is the answer of question number first part. Now the second part, height of vessel equals to 10 meter. We have curved surface area equals to 110 meter square. Formula of curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RS. We write 110 same. This implies that 2 into value of pi 22/7 into R into H. H is given 10 meter. This equals to 110. We write same. By cross multiplication, we get 2 into 22 into R into 10 is equal to 110 into 7. 7 multiplied by 110. This implies that R equals to 110 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 10. Now 0 and 0 cancel. 11 1 is 11. 11 2 is 22. This equals to 7 in the numerator and 2 into 2 in the denominator. This implies that R is equal to 7 by 4. After dividing, we get 1.75 meter. So radius of base equals to 1.75 meter. This is the answer of second part of question number 5. Now third part, capacity, that is volume of cylindrical vessel equals to pi R square H. This equals to value of pi 22/7. R square means R into R, so 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. H is 10 meter cube. Unit of volume capacity is meter cube because unit is given in meter. Now we cancel. 7 1 is 7, 7 1 is 7, 2 2 is 4, 2 11 is 22, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Now here we get 11 into 7 5 is 35 in the numerator and only 4 in the denominator. After multiplication we get 11 and 35, it is goes to 385 and we write 4 in the denominator. It is in meter cube. When we divide, we get 96.25 meter cube. This is the answer of third part of question number 5. Now question number 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? For the solution of this question, we write given capacity, that is volume of closed cylindrical vessel, given 15.4 liters. We change in centimeter cube with the help of this formula. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Since liter is bigger unit and centimeter cube is a smaller unit, so we multiply by 1000. So 15.4 into 1000, it is changed into centimeter cube. Now it is, after multiplication, we get 15,400 centimeter cube. Now we change centimeter cube in meter cube. into meter cube. Centimeter cube is smaller unit, meter cube is bigger unit. So we divide by 100 into 100 into 100. Centimeter means centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. So we have to change into meter into meter into meter. So 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. We change 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We write 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. We write here 100. 1 meter is equal to 100. We write 100. So finally we get 15,400 divided by 100 into 100 into 100. We cancel 20 and 20. We get 154 divided by 10,000 meter cube. But we know that volume of cylindrical vessel equals to pi r square h. This implies that it is volume is already has calculated 154 divided by 10,000. This equals to pi is 22 by 7. R square we write same. H is given 1 meter. By cross multiplication we get 22 into 10,000 into R square equals to 154 into 7. This implies that R square equals to 154 into 7 divided by 22 into 10,000. 22 1 are 22, 22 7 are 154. This implies that R square is equal to 7 into 7 divided by 10,000 can be written 100 into 100. This implies that R equals to a square root over 7 into 7 divided by 100 into 100. When we take a square root for 2 7, we write 1 7 in the numerator. For 200, we write 100 in the denominator. This implies that R equals to 7 by 100. This equals to 0.0 meter. So total surface area of the closed vessel equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. R plus h should be in bracket. This equals to 2 into value of pi 22 by 7. R is 0.07 and in bracket we write r is equal to 0.07. 0.07 plus 1 meter square. This equals to 2 into 22. Here 7 1 are 7, 7 0.01 are 0.07. So we write 2 into 22 into 0.01 into 1.07 meter square. After multiplication we get 0.4708 meter square. Hence 0.4708 meter square seat is required to make the vessel. This is the answer of question number 6. This is last question today. I will meet you next day with another set of questions. Thank you very much.